Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT based home automation and temperature humidity MQ to gas air quality monitoring using ESP32 and Blynk app application. So in this project we are using an ESP32 board and 5 volts power supply module and DHT11 temperature humidity MQ to gas sensor 16x2 LCD display, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4 and 4 relay coils and 4 bulbs, AC bulbs, 230 volt AC bulb. Those are connected with GPI was 0, 4, 13 and 12. MQ2 gas sensor by smoke sensor, it is connected to the 32 analog pin, digital pin of GPI of 15th pin. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5. So here we are using one ESP32 board, 230 input, step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, power supply board 1, 2. For one board for the relay coil purpose and other board for the ESP32 and LCD. So here we are using one mobile phone. In that mobile phone you need to on the mobile data with Wi-Fi hotspot. So whenever you open the Wi-Fi hotspot, the username is project and the password is project1234. So it's came air quality. Okay, so now we are using one Blynk application. So in the Blynk application we are monitoring the data. So here the air quality. Okay, so whatever the data, it is coming from the sensors and it will updated by our mobile phone app. So there is one more server is there, that is separate server, that is project.com server. So temperature, humidity and air quality. So we will download the data from the Excel sheet, temperature, humidity, smoke data, main screen. Okay, so those are the values that are coming. That value should be updated into the screen. Okay, so whenever all should be off. Okay, now I'm going to press on. So bulb 1 on. So if you press bulb 1 on. Okay, temperature, humidity. So now I'm going for the gas sensor. So it will updated temperature, humidity, yeah, 1854, and we will one notification alert also and one email alert also. So go to Gmail, bad air. Okay, so we will get the Blynk application. Okay, August 9th, email, one Blynk application came, notification came, and as well as here also it will updated value. Here also it will updated, and here also we will get the email alert, and here also you will see the data. Okay, temperature, humidity, air quality, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, bulb 4. So okay, in the Gmail Blynk notification. So now 136 time. So one time is 137, 136 it came. So we will get the email alert. So temperature, email alert. Humidity, temperature, humidity, there is no alert, only we are monitoring onto the screen. Okay, bulb 2 on. Okay, bulb 2 on. So two power supply boards, L293D power supply. L293D is the driver IC to control the relay coils, because the relay coils is the 5 volts and ESP32 is working under 3.3 volts. So 3.3 volts it will drive, because there should be some voltage conversion purpose. Here the voltage is, it will operate to 3 to 30 volts. So that's why I am taking the input to L293D. L293D is operating the relays, 5 volts relays. So there should be a driver, like it is acting the driver purpose. So 16x2 LCD display and gas sensor. So I will give you the humidity. Okay, now I am increasing the temperature. Humidity also increased to 67, 35, 35, 67. Okay, 190, 190. Okay, humidity 53. Okay, air quality 1110. Temperature it is 39. Temperature now temperature is 39. Okay, now it is sending the data to separate server also. So there is another server. The student asked, so temperature, humidity, smoke value, and the date and time. Okay, now it is updated continuously onto the separate server also. Okay, so now I'm going for the bulb off. Bulb off. Bulb one off. So there is some flickering is going on. Okay, but data is sending to server. So there is third and four, and third and four is also on. Okay, whenever the lights on, the red color should be all should be off. And we will get the email alert and SMS alert. Yeah, notification alert, notification alert as well as the email alert also. So bulb one off. Here the LEDs should be off. Bulb one on. Bulb two on. So this is our website, and here is the server data to download for Excel sheet. So thank you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.